Okay, so before we get started with today's lesson, we need to understand some basic vocabulary. So the first term is literal equation. A literal equation has two different variables. So up until now, all of our equations have had one variable. From now on, we're going to see two of them. Usually it's x and y. So for instance, if I have the equation 2x minus 3y equals 4. This is a literal equation because I have an x and I have a y. So not just two variables, but two different variables, meaning x is a different variable from y. And then the second term that you're going to see a lot, it's one of the most important things you're going to learn in algebra, is what is slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is an equation that we use, and the equation is y equals mx plus b. These letters stand for important information. We should know what m stands for because it's not going to change. M stands for the slope. B stands for something called a y-intercept, which we'll learn in the next couple of weeks. And then x and y, they're an ordered pair. But they're going to stay x and y. Like m will be a number and b will be a number. But x and y stay x and y. What am I talking about when I say that? An example of an equation in slope-intercept form would be, let's put it down here, y equals 1/3 x minus 5. So we're always going to plug in a number for m, and we're always going to plug in a number for b, but we keep x and y. We don't plug in numbers for those. So that's slope-intercept form, which is the same thing that's in your conjecture. Literal equations, two different variables. Literal equations can be written in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b.